In this video, I'll show you how to get to the equalizer so you can change these EQ settings on your Sony WF-C510 and C700N. Okay, both models are working the same way. So first of all, what you need to do is to pair your earbuds with your smartphone. Could be an iPhone or Android. To pair them, it's quite easy. I mean, you just need to open the case and press the button on the back of the case until you see this light over here flashing blue. Then go into the Bluetooth settings of your phone and add them as a Bluetooth device. Once you've done this, you need to download the Sony app that is called Sound Connect. So go into the Play Store or App Store if you're on an iPhone. And over here, search Sound Connect. Here we go. Sony Sound Connect. Go ahead and download this app. Your earbuds needs to be connected with your phone. Obviously, you're gonna see them on the first page. Press connect. If it's not connecting, I suggest you put one in your ear or you remove one from the case itself and try again. Here we go, it works, you see? All right, so once you're over here in the main menu page and you get your Sony model, what you need to do is to go down and you see over here, it will say equalizer. If you don't see equalizer, just go all the way down until you see device settings. Press on device settings and then you're gonna see equalizer. From here, you see there's a small arrow right here, click on it, and you'll have the choice between some pre-made EQ settings, so excited, mellow, whatever Sony decided these will be. And for each of these, let's say you like this one, but you like to modify your EQ, you need to press on the cogwheel right here once, and you're gonna have those sliders where you're gonna be able to slide them up and down. I suggest you listen to music at the same time, put them in your ears, play something that you like, and at the same time adjust them just to find the sweet spot that you're looking for. So over here you see I modify them a bit. You have a custom 1 and custom 2 presets where you can make your own EQ and it will be saved on your phone. You'll be able to switch easily between these two things. You also have found over here find your equalizer, where it will help you find your perfect settings. Honestly, I prefer just playing some music through my earbuds and modifying this EQ settings here to find the sweet spot. Anyway, this is it. This is how you change the EQ settings on your Sony earbuds. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.